Our first exercise is the sit-up with chair assisted. Sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. You can either place your hands behind your head or cross them over your chest for added support. Now, perform a standard sit-up by engaging your core and lifting your upper body off the chair. Exhale as you come up and inhale as you lower yourself back down. This exercise is fantastic for working your abdominal muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now take a rest for 5 seconds. Moving on to the pull-up with bent knee using chairs. Position 2 chairs parallel to each other, about shoulder width apart. Place your hands on the edges of the chairs, gripping them firmly. Hang your body in the air with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Now perform pull-ups by pulling your body up towards the chairs. Keep your back straight and engage your back and biceps muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Now take a rest for 5 seconds. Let's target those calf muscles with the calf raise from a deficit using a chair. Stand on the edge of a chair with your heels hanging off the edge. Make sure to hold onto something stable for balance if needed. Rise up onto your toes by flexing your calf muscles, lifting your heels as high as possible. Then, lower your heels back down below the level of the chair. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your calf muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Now take a rest for 5 seconds. And to wrap things up, we have a relaxing lat stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and raise your arms above your head. Interlace your fingers, and as you inhale, reach up towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch along your sides and lats. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, and as you exhale, release the tension. This is a great way to improve flexibility in your lats. Repeat the stretch 2-3 times on each side. Now take a rest for 5 seconds. There you have it, folks. 4 fantastic chair exercises to work on different muscle groups, followed by a relaxing lat stretch to cool down. Remember, consistency is key to seeing progress, so incorporate these exercises into your routine and stay motivated. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more workout tips and routines. Stay active and healthy, and we'll catch you in the next video.